Hi, I'm Mubashir Nazar, LinkedIn Growth Specialist, and I am also offering one-on-one LinkedIn training and coaching services. In these days, I am receiving questions from my different viewers such as identity verification is rejected and LinkedIn account is still restricted or suspended and no response from LinkedIn support. And different more questions that they tried uploading ID card to LinkedIn but LinkedIn reject your identification. If you are still stuck in this situation, I will share with you appeal form. With the help of appeal form, you can submit your appeal. And now I want to show with you, and this is a form. And now it also work if your LinkedIn account is restricted. And now this time my account is good and working perfectly. Now I want to show you. And now if your LinkedIn account is restricted, this form is also work. And now you can see that I have a LinkedIn account and this account is restricted. And when I just paste here, and now you can see that this form is working. This appeal form might be your only solution to get your LinkedIn account back. In this video, I will show you how to fill out official appeal form here. Simply, you just need to write your first name and last name, and here you just need to write your email address. And different questions like, does the name of your LinkedIn profile match on your photo ID if you are uploading your driving license, if you are uploading your passport or ID card, it should match with your LinkedIn profile, this LinkedIn profile name. If it's match, and then your account will be unrestricted in few hours. And if it's match, you just need to click here yes. If not, you just need to write here the no. Why does your name not match? If not match, you can give different reason that last name on my profile is short and surname. So different reason you can write here. And if you cannot find the proper reason, you just need to click on others. And here you need to write the reasons why your name is not matched with your LinkedIn profile and ID card. And if match, you just need to click here the yes. And next thing is, are you currently traveling? Sometime if you are traveling and your location is different while you are uploading your driving license or ID card. So if you are traveling, you just need to click yes, or if you are not traveling, you just need to click on no. And have you created your account through a VPN? If you using a VPN or you already using a VPN in different browsers, so you just need to click here. If you created your account with the help of VPN, different locations you put here, so here you just need to click. If you are using a VPN, you just need to click on yes. If not, you just need to click on no. And here you just need to specify your current location. For example, if you are from Pakistan, you just need to write your current location. And different more questions you need to put here. Please specify your current location. Okay, we done this one. And did you make recent updates to your profile after creating? If you done some changes in your profile, for example, if you change your headline, then you just need to click yes. If you change experiences, if you change education section, skills section, if you change anything in your profile, you just need to click here yes. And here LinkedIn want to give you one more chance if you believe your account has been restricted incorrectly. And if your LinkedIn account is permanently restricted, you can also fill this form. And here you just need to write the reason that LinkedIn blocked my account incorrectly. And here you just need to attach your ID card, passport or driving license front page or back page. And after this, you just need to agree. And after this, you just need to write your name. For example, I'm just writing here. And after this, you just need to click on I'm not a bot. And after this, you just need to click on submit. And sometime maybe this form make errors while submitting. What you need to do, simply you just need to clear the cookies of your browser. And after this, again same issue, you can use a new browser and then you can try. In this way you can submit this form, and this form is very helpful if your LinkedIn account is permanently restricted and if your identity verification is rejected again and again, and if LinkedIn helpline is not responding your message. So this form is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question related to LinkedIn, you can also contact me on LinkedIn. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible.